Hello, my vintage bag lovers, and welcome to Stefany Bags, Shoes and More. Today is a special day, for me at least. It's my favorite part. I just got the new merchandise from my wholesaler, and I cannot wait to share it with you. It's gonna be fun. Well, I have my knife. Here's the box. Let's dig in and find some good stuff. I hope it's good. I know it's good. I'm excited. He always packs it so tight. Well, that makes it even more fun. All right, one part is open. How about this side? Ooh, should have brought a bigger knife. It's a big box. Love big boxes. All right, here we go. Oops, a little bit more tape here. And a tad there. I love the sound of ripping that tape off. All right, let's start. Are you ready? Excited? I am. All right. What do we have? What do we have? Wrapped up nicely, nice and tight. Okay, here we go. What is this? Well, you guessed it right. That's a Fendi Zucchino enamel crossbody bag. It's a flap one. Yep, just like that. It's a crossbody with a beautiful Fendi logo right there. Nice to wear. Just like so. Gorgeous. I hope you could see. Oops. It's blocking. Yeah. Nice piece. Beautiful. Gorgeous. All right. Let's see. What do I have next? Ooh, I already see something beautiful here hiding. Great. Okay, what is this? Yes, you guessed it. It's a Gucci. It's a Gucci flap. Beautiful one. It's a horsebit staple design. It's not a crossbody bag, it's a shoulder bag. Let me move the box away and just show it to you. Just like so. Gorgeous piece. Love it. Great condition. Smells divine. I just love that smell. I hope you do too. All right, what else do we have here? Let's see. Have my magic glasses on today. Looking extra special. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. That's the one I've been waiting for. Always wanted one. That's what? That's a Fendi bag, right? And it's absolutely gorgeous. Black and orange. My favorite Pekin pattern. Nice bag. Yes. It's a handle bag, so you wear it like this. Ooh, once again, the box is blocking, but that's okay. I'll move the box around. So exquisite, just like so. Gorgeous, right? Don't you love it? I do too. Boston bag. Yes, you guessed it. All right, let's put it aside. Okay, you stay here. All right, next. What do I have? Ooh, something big. Something big. Ooh. Yeah, I was able to source a very rare. Okay, do I need a knife? No, I'll be able to pull it out like so, I guess. A very rare piece. And woo! Little mishap here. So this is a beautiful Fendi. It's pretty large. It's a medium size. It's not humongous. It's a medium size. It's a Zucca Boston bag. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. In great condition. Well, you have to put some stuff in it, right? You have to stuff it up. Once you put all of your goodies in there, it's gonna get more shape, but it's a beautiful, clean bag. Nice hardware, all shiny with nice patina. Just a gorgeous piece. Love it. All right, what else do we have here? Okay, here we go. What's this? Who could say no to Christian Dior? A flap bag. Flap with a beautiful hardware. I love the subtle Christian Dior pattern right here. It's a honeycomb. It's just absolutely gorgeous, beautiful hardware. And cute Dior things over here. Makes it extra special. It's flap. Just beautiful bag in my opinion. I want to show it to you how you wear it, but I'm getting a little bit congested here. So let me put it away for 1 second, move my other bags aside. Right here. So I'm going to have some room to put the box away. And yeah, well, the knife also got to go. All right, so let me move the box and I'll show you how it looks when worn. So it's a crossbody bag. Gorgeous piece, just like so. Pretty long flap, very comfortable to wear. Gorgeous, great condition, perfect. Love it, love it. All right, let's put this beauty away. Okay, what do we have next? Another Christian Dior, but not a honeycomb. It's actually just leather. Gorgeous leather piece on a leather strap. Another flap with beautiful logo. Pretty black and brown, two colored. Nice, beautiful bag. All right, let me show it to you how it looks when worn. Cute. Shorter strap. I think very, very fashionable. Cute. Love it. Very classy, you know, just a classic bag. Just like a little black dress, little black bag. And which happens to a Christian Dior. All right, what do we have here? Nicely packed, nice and tight. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. I remember. I always wanted it, and I got it. So this is a wallet on chain. Once again, by Christian Dior. Let me put it for you. I love the color. Makes it a little bit festive. Nice brown, kind of bronze. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Isn't it cute? Yeah. Hope you see it well. Has a little bit of a shine to it. Beautiful hardware. Beautiful hardware. And wear it like so. Over your wrist, over your elbow. And off you go. Stands out right away. Everybody could see it. Everybody knows what it is. Can't miss it. Okay. All right. We have two more. All right. Let's start with this one. Ooh. Gucci lovers, you are going to be for a nice treat. All leather. Flap. Gucci bag. Crossbody. That converts to a clutch because you could remove the strap. Lamb leather. Gorgeous clean bag. I remember I saw it and I'm like, oof. Remember that commercial? Suede? Yeah, I'm like, suede. Gotta have it. Hold on. Yeah, that's it, dear. Oh, look at that hardware. Isn't she beautiful? Gorgeous. I might have to keep it. My dear, I think you might be mine. All right. I want you to take a close look at this beauty one more time. She is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that hardware. Look at that Gigi sign. Phenomenal bag. One of a kind. Rarely seen piece. And it converts to a clutch. You remove the strap, you convert it to a clutch, and you have a two-way bag. You could wear as a clutch, as a crossbody. Love this bag. I'm going to have a very hard time letting go of her if I decide to sell it. But let's take a look how it looks on me. And I'm sure it's going to look gorgeous on you. Let me just move this box this way. Oh, getting a little bit congested here. Okay, well, I hope you could see it. Just like so. Lambskin, soft, shiny, beautiful. It's not patent leather, but it has a little bit of a shine to it. I think it's just beautiful. Gorgeous bag. And of course you can wear it as a clutch when you remove the strap. Beautiful bag. Beautiful. All right. I think we're just down to the last piece. So let me move away the box and unwrap this beauty. What do we have here? Oh yeah. This, guys. Yet another beauty. Ooh. Two gorgeous bags back to back. It's another Gucci. It's a two-tone, brown on black. All leather. And it's a combination of leather. This one is textured on the bottom. And this one is a smooth leather. Once again, gorgeous, gorgeous hardware right there. Ooh, so pretty. Crossbody bag. I think you could make it a clutch actually. Yes, you could remove the straps. The straps could be removed from both sides. I didn't even know that. Yeah, I guess I didn't pay attention to it. But yes, the strap could be removed and you could have, once again, a clutch or a crossbody. Look at that charm. Isn't that to die for? So shiny, so pretty, so special. Yeah, so you could remove the strap and you could have it as a clutch and of course as a crossbody. Pretty roomy. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. One of a kind. Not sure everyday kind of a deal, but maybe some girls would like to wear it as an everyday thing, but I think it's so super special. Well, this is all, guys. These are all the bags that I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed it. My best part, like I said, getting them. My hardest part is letting them go. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'd like to share them with you. They will be, most of them are going to be available on the website, so check it out. Follow me. Any questions, contact me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.